In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this OnePlus. Start by opening Settings, then scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. Following that, you need to scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Now tap on the switcher next to Vibrate on Silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Following that, you need to choose Haptics and Tones, and over here click on this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!